Hello and welcome to another training tutorial onto the credit repair dispute software. Now I'm going to show you how to use and navigate through the overview screen and the credit bureau dispute screen. To go into the overview screen, you have to hover your mouse under or over the user's icon. You can choose which user's account you want to access to. You can either use person 1, person 2, or person 3. Just click onto the user that you want to preview the dispute screen to. Once you do so, you will be taken to the credit score section where you can input your credit score screen and hit on next and taken to the add items section where you can add all the inaccurate items. Take note that before you add any disputes, you'll have to go and add your inaccurate items into the add items section. This two screen will be discussed into a different training video. Once you hit on next, you'll have access to the overview screen. Into the overview screen, this area will allow you to track all the inaccurate items that you have placed under the add items section, as well as a track record or overview summary of the items that are still pending or in progress into your software. You'll see how many collections, how many charge-off, late payment, public records, inquiries, and total items in dispute. You'll also see a breakdown between the three credit bureaus. Under Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, you'll see the total items pending, deleted, and in dispute. You'll also see the credit scores for the three credit bureaus. So this overview section is basically where you can look at to see where your dispute is at. Now to access the credit bureau dispute screen, you can either click on Next, or you can also click on the credit bureaus tab. Remember again that before you go and create your dispute under the credit bureau screen, you'll have to make sure that you add your inaccurate items into the add items section. So into the credit bureau's dispute screen, this area is where you can create your disputes solely for the credit bureaus. So in order for you to create your dispute, you'll have to choose which furnisher, which account, and of course your dispute reason. We have dispute reason templates that's already available right here. Let's say I want to tackle about authorized user and I want to use the template for I'm not an authorized user dispute reason. It would also show when was the date added, and you have to check on to which credit bureaus they are associated to, or this particular furnisher is associated to. Now you want to choose which campaign letter you want to use. Since I use the authorized user dispute reason, let me also use campaign letter for the authorized user. These campaign letters that we do have is corresponding to the dispute reasons that we do have. So once you're done choosing your letter and have everything prepared, you just have to click on add your dispute. Now let's say you want to create another dispute for another account, just have to choose that account, check the account number, and then choose your dispute reason. Now this time I want to use a customized or more personalized dispute reason. I can always click on customized reason and input my own customized reason or personalized dispute reason. I want to check as well where this particular account is associated to or which credit bureaus it's associated to. And as you can see, you won't be able to change the type of letter that you used, because you are basically telling the software that this accounts, you want it to be included into this particular letter. So once you have everything completed, you just can add your dispute. You can always make changes if ever that you want to change your, let's say, dispute reason. So let's say I don't want to use unfair, I want to use inaccurate. So you can always delete that particular information. There will be a prompt if you want to remove the dispute. Just hit on OK. And then choose that furnisher's information. Click on Customize Reason to change it. Then check onto which credit bureau it's associated to. Again, you can always click on Check All if it's associated to all the credit bureaus. Then just click on Add Your Dispute. Once you're done and reviewed all these dispute reasons you have created and the campaign letters, you can always just click on Next or this arrow icon right here to view and edit the letters. So you can always view and edit the letters. So you'll see that everything is automatically populated into the letters section. And the letter has been successfully created. Once you're done, you can always just click on Print to print out the letter. And hit on Save to save it directly into your hard drive. So that completes our training tutorial for the overview screen and the credit bureau dispute screen. You can always go back to the training videos by going into the training videos icon into the credit repair dispute software.